I had an idea, a small one, but I didn't know where to begin. The product was ready, but something was missing. I needed some assistance, but didn't know who to turn to. Then I found the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge. Launched in 2019 by the Government of Meghalaya, CMECC is more than just a competition. It's a launchpad for Meghalaya's most promising entrepreneurs. Each year, 150 entrepreneurs are chosen to pitch their ideas. Only 75 are selected to enter a 9-month journey of growth and transformation. In the Prime Incubation Program, they gain mentorship, national visibility and access to funding, business tools, boot camps, co-working spaces and market access. To support their entrepreneurial journey, the program also provides financial assistance through business grants that help entrepreneurs grow and scale their ventures. The top 35 startups receive Rs 2 lakh and the remaining 40 startups receive Rs 1 lakh in funding. With free co-working spaces, startup tools, branding support and legal services, CMECC helps you focus on what matters most, building.
Prime helped us believe in our ideas.
Only we made it click.
CMECC has incubated many entrepreneurs from all 12 districts, creating thousands of jobs and impacting lives. You have the idea, we have the support.
I'm thankful to Prime for the opportunity to receive help and mentorship. So join Prime today for a better tomorrow.
Habapai biang syaki kubor, uwayu Samla ula klat hasyan, nak Jingjia Aksiden kabalaja hak surok ba Ryndang Briew mau yong rim, hak sepalay jong katayong, hak ba uway pat, ubala syong lang hak tuktung ulaman saujur.
Kat kung kubor kabali alum ni kipulet lihat tu bagi pulet lihat jentip sepang, kini Jingjia Aksiden hak kubor sau kejujan miet, hak ba kawai ka bike pulsar. Kabaran new number ML not san vi henreu san pranot kladan apeng surok bar unongnya al syuktia leng ketar hasurok naga jeng saujur ka benta jong ka clear kipulet aga jeng toket kila syam bagani ka tok kala letenra na dia ne ko ka tata sumo kabaran new number ML shiposi khandai henreu ari bai kat bagarang yat men chaktan yam kumta lapen ket no nongnya tok cha civil hospital Shillong nak ambulance 108 EMRI henrei andala poya hospital ki doktor kilapen bana baulad ban khlat halenti shon poya hospital ki pulet kilapen te bunu Samla ula shong marawe ka tok bat kat kum ka driving license kabalalap no ne ubala khlat no la ithu yu komu dinas don warjri life science nem karta ubashong basa pun thorba Shillong